This is the Rode X Streamer X. It's an audio interface and video capture card for streaming. Well, this is for an individual who doesn't have anybody in the room and want to use a fancy XLR mic. And it's not new, actually. Here it says professional audio interface and video capture card for streaming, 4K, variable video refresh rates, and so forth. Studio grade revolutionary preamps, input for connectors for headsets. You can connect an XLR or an instrument in it. And what I need is my trusty pocket knife. And I'm also looking for another device. I don't see it. Okay. So let's open this up. I got this one on sale. And it's been going down in price for the last 3 years, or close to 3 years. So I'm sure you've seen already some individuals doing an open box. But I'm really interested in utilizing one of these because I'm doing some more voiceovers. And I've had several audio interfaces, and not many have great preamps. So it says right here, setup 1, connect Streamer X to your PC, plug in your microphone or headset, download Unified Rode or RodeX.community Unify, and get connected. All right. Box is nice. Oh, look at this. A power adapter. Wow, okay. This one does input 100 to 240 volts and output 5 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 2.5 amps, 20 volts, 1.5 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 2 amps. It's right there. So I will leave this connected. I'm not sure if I want to leave it connected all the time. Let's see. Let's see if there's the rest is in here. Well, we can. Oh, look at that. Okay. So we got the, wow, HDMI cable. Wow. That's heavy duty. That's interesting. Okay. Wow. Okay. It's not dinky cable. Very hefty. 5 gigabits, 60 watts. Interesting. Some people have been having problems with their device not recording what it should, probably because it doesn't have enough power. And all this big box for this big cable. All right, I do like this. We're going to be using this for sure. And we'll figure that out. And this one too. Wow. A little bit serious, isn't it? And then some information, okay, and then the Rode. Wow. All right. Always keep the box. You'll probably resell it and get something else in the far future, maybe. So here it is. Wow, very small. Very small indeed. Quarter 20, like everybody gets excited because it has a quarter 20. Okay, great. Buttons are really stiff. Okay, well, we'll see if those work. Yeah, nice tactile feel. You got microphone with power, phantom power or not. You have headphones or headset, and then you can use one of the Rode Wireless Pros. One of these. That's really nice. Okay, so it probably has a receiver. Revolution preamps. Okay. All right. So that's where the mic goes, XLR, and an instrument. This button here, these buttons are kind of interesting. Okay, you can feel the clickiness there. You can't hear, can't feel the click. You can put an instrument in there. That's for phantom power. That's for your headphones. This headset, you have a mic and the headphones. Video in from your camera. This one comes out so you can watch it. Number 1 is for your PC. 2 could be for your phone or another PC. And this one's for power, where you have this. No, this one, right? This one's for power. And I guess you can lock it. That's really interesting. I haven't seen one of those. Okay. All right, so maybe what we'll do is we'll do some movie magic here. We will put this together and see the colors and how it looks. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, plug this to the wall and be interesting. Oh, look at that. Has some type of strain relief there. Not sure how to work that one. Huh. Could be a strain relief. Okay. Let's pop this one in here. And I'm not liking, there we go, that's better. All right. So that's dedicated power. Nothing else is working. Ah, now it's going. All right. And then you have the USB-C. We'll put it on number 1. And let's see if my Mac does anything. This cable is really awesome, but a little bit too long. Okay. All right, well, I don't see anything on my Mac here. All right, let's see. Head, okay. Mic, all right. So you press it lightly. Interesting, okay. All right. And it says, where does it say you gotta go to? It says Rodex Unify. All right. So it's kind of weird. They're a bit hard to press, or maybe don't press too much, right? There we go. It's going to be interesting to listen to these. These are pretty cool. And here you have this connection, I guess, to all 4, right? This is, you can go different, you can configure these differently. Okay. I'm not liking this connection. It looks like it easily can break, especially this kind of like stiff wire. I'm going to have to figure out, unwrap that. Might as well do it now, right? This is really, wow, this is really tough. This is really too long. I'm not sure why it's this long. I have it connected to my anchor. Perhaps that needs to be wrapped a bit. Good enough room to breathe here. Maybe tie it up. Now the reason why I got this guy was so I can do some recording with the mic. Get a little more fidelity. Well, you can hear it locked, can't you? All right, and that can live somewhere over here. Just move my speaker. And that can live in that corner here. You can barely see it. But that's good. It can live there, and hopefully these wires won't break. I don't like that you can't turn it off. Why not have a power button? That's really... I'm wondering if I turn off the machine, this turns off. Maybe. And then this gives you power, see? I clicked on it, and now it's giving me power to the mic. Really nice. So I'm going to try it out, and I'll report back next time. All right. So something a little bit different, and hopefully this will be useful for my voiceovers that I'm trying to do. All right, you have a wonderful day. This is Frank, Whiskey Charlie 0 Oscar. All right, bye-bye.